friends, here more examples on chi-square test, that is goodness of fit, we are going to discuss. Here 4 coins are tossed 100 times and the following results were obtained. Fit the binomial distribution for the data and test the goodness of fit, and given chi-square of 0.0 at 5% level of significance with the degree of freedom is equal to 9.49. Number of heads they are given, they are varying from 0 to 4 and their corresponding frequencies they are given. In this case 4 coins are tossed 100 times, okay, and we have to fit a binomial distribution for this. To fit a binomial distribution, as we discussed in the last video, directly for binomial distribution directly I can take a probability of success and probability of failure, but I have to fit the binomial distribution first according to the given set and then we have to check. That means from these frequencies I have to find out the mean. Using the mean of the binomial distribution, I have to find the probability of success P and probability of failure Q. Therefore, we have PDF for binomial distribution. Binomial distribution P of x is equal to NCX P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. I want P, Q, n and x. N equal to 4 coins, no problem, 4 trials. X equal to according to that. And how to find out that P? Okay, for binomial distribution again, mean mu is equal to NP. Then how to find out mean for this frequency distribution? For this frequency distribution, mean is given by, okay, for frequency distribution, mean is equal to mu is equal to summation of f into x divided by summation of f. What is that summation f into x? This is our x, this is our frequency f. Therefore 5 into 0, 0, 29 into 1, 29, 36 into 2, 72, 25 into 3, 75, 5 into 4, 20, whole divided by summation of f, all the addition of this, okay, that is 5 plus 29 plus 36 plus 25 plus 5. It comes out to be 196 divided by 100 and it is nothing but 1.96 equal to mu. Okay, using this mu and number of trials n is equal to 4, I can find out P now. Therefore mu is equal to 196, 1.96 and n is equal to 4, probability of number of trials 4 and P, which implies P is equal to 1.96 divided by 4. It comes out to be 0.49. Okay, you can use the calculator to find out that. Similarly, Q will become then 1 minus P, that is 0.51. P and Q I have got. Then for binomial distribution, okay, therefore probability P of x is equal to NCX 4CX P value is 0.49 raised to x, Q is 0.51 raised to 4 minus x. This is the probability of x. Using this frequency, okay, theoretical frequency is equal to theoretical frequencies, correct? theoretical frequencies is given by f of x, capital F of x is equal to p of x into 100. Okay, already these types of problems, fitting of binomial distribution, Poisson distribution were done in the probability distribution. Same thing. Okay, I have to cover here. Next, using this, I will find the probability of frequencies. These are nothing but expected frequencies now. Expected frequencies. Then I will form the column of observed frequencies and theoretical frequencies here. Okay, number of heads, I will form the table and directly come back to here. Okay, form this table like this. Number of heads 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 4, and observed frequencies given from the table, and expected frequencies I have to calculate using the formula EI is equal to f of x equal to p of x into 100. Okay, all these things I will calculate first. Then what is your p of x here? P of, I use calculator. P of x is this. Operate this as it is in your calculator. Operate in your calculator this formula. P of x 4cx into 0.49 raised to x, 0.51 raised to 0.51 raised to 4 minus x as it is into frequency into 100 will give you 12. Then go on calculating all these things. First time calc option will ask for x. X value is 0. For 0 it gives 6.76. 6.76 approximately, you can write it as a 7 like that. Next again equal to, it will ask for x. X is equal to 1 and its value comes out to be 25.99. 25.99 approximately, I can write it as a 26 like that. For x equal to 2, its value is a 37.47. Approximately I will write it as only 37. The next x is equal to 3. For 3 it is a 24.000, approximately only 24. Then next for x equal to 4 now. For x equal to 4 it is a 5.76, approximately 6. These are my expected frequencies. These are the binomial frequencies. Okay, now using this to find out chi-square, okay, I will use another formula. Just now last I have discussed. Take a ratio, then alpha a minus, okay, minus alpha b bracket square divided by alpha b. Okay, then go on substituting these values, observed frequency. Okay, first time calc option, a equal to 5 and b equal to 7. It comes out to be 4 point, okay, that is 0.5714. Next again only equal to a equal to 29, b equal to 26. It comes to be 9 by 26 or 0.3461. Next again equal to a is equal to 36, this 36, b equal to 37, and it comes out to be 1 by 37, that is 0.0270. Next equal to a again 25 and b is 24, comes to be 1 by 24, that is 0.04166. Then again equal to a equal to 5, b equal to 6, it comes to be 1 by 6, that is 0.16667. Okay, sum of all these things will give you chi-square. Therefore chi-square is equal to sum of y minus ei square divided by ei. I will give you directly the addition of all these things. Okay, wait here. Okay, this is a calculated chi-square. This one we have to compare with the table value in the problem they are given, chi-square for 5% level it is 9.49, which is very much less than 9.49, that is chi-square 0.05 with the degree of freedom 4. Okay, therefore what you can say here, the binomial distribution is fitness is good. Binomial distribution is fitness is good. Okay, that is accepted. Section note is accepted. Okay, thank you friends. Like this, some more examples I'm coming here in this video.